Where is my gate?
That is not quite right. The polite way to ask, could you help me find my gate? Today, Maya is lost at the airport and making 5 common English mistakes asking for help. Welcome back to Mr. Fix My English. Maya is through security, but now she cannot find her gate. She goes to the information desk for help. 5 mistakes. Let us fix every one of them right now. Hello, how can I help you?
Where is my gate?
Stop. Maya said, "Where is my gate?" This is not wrong, but sounds a little demanding. The polite way to ask for help. Could you help me find my gate? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Could you help me find my gate?
Good. In real life. Hello, how can I help you?
Could you help me find my gate?
Of course. May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go. Thank you. My gate is which one?
Stop. Maya said, "My gate is which one?" The word order is mixed up. The correct way, which gate is mine? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Which gate is mine?
Good. In real life.
Which gate is mine?
Your gate is B12.
Okay, great. How I can go there?
Stop. Maya said, "How I can go there." The word order is wrong. In questions we say, "How do I?" not "how I can." The correct way, "How do I get there?" Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
How do I get there?
Good. In real life.
How do I get there?
Walk straight down this hall and turn left.
Okay, straight and left. It is far.
Stop. Maya said, "It is far." To make a question, we need to switch the word order. The correct way, is it far? The verb comes first, is it? Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Is it far?
Good. In real life.
Is it far?
Not at all. About 5 minutes walk.
Oh, good. Thank you so much for the help me.
Stop. Maya said, "Thank you so much for the help me." This is a little broken. The correct way, thank you so much for your help. For your help, clean and natural. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Thank you so much for your help.
Good. In real life.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a great flight.
Thank you.
All 5 mistakes fixed. Now, let us hear the whole conversation correctly. Say it with Maya as we go. Hello, how can I help you?
Could you help me find my gate?
Of course. May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go. Which gate is mine?
Your gate is B12.
How do I get there?
Walk straight down this hall and turn left.
Is it far?
About 5 minutes walk.
Thank you so much for your help.
That is friendly. That is natural. That is correct. Now say this line with Maya. 5 seconds.
Could you help me find my gate?
Before the quiz, your homework. Go to the comments and write one sentence you would say if you were lost in an airport. For example, could you help me find my gate? Or, How do I get there? I read every comment and fix every mistake.
Go and write now. Then come back for the quiz.
Quiz time. I say wrong. You say correct before Maya answers. 5 seconds each. 5 questions. Ready? 1. Where's my gate? Maya?
Could you help me find my gate?
Correct. Polite and friendly. 1 point. 2. My gate is which one? Maya?
Which gate is mine?
Correct. Right word order. 1 point. 3. How I can go there? Maya?
How do I get there?
Correct. How do I, not how I can? 1 point. For it is far. Maya?
Is it far?
Correct. The verb comes first. 1 point. 5. Thank you so much for the help me. Maya?
Thank you so much for your help.
Correct. For your help, clean and natural. 1 point. Count your fingers now. Five out of 5. You will never get lost at an airport again. 3 or 4. Really good. Watch one more time this week. 1 or 2. Watch again from the beginning. 0. Come back tomorrow. You will surprise yourself. Now, I promise you a bonus phrase. You stayed until the end. Here it is. Your bonus phrase. Could you point me in the right direction? You say this when you're lost and need someone to show you which way to go. It sounds friendly and natural, and native speakers use it all the time. Now repeat after Maya. 5 seconds.
Could you point me in the right direction?
Good. In real life.
I am looking for gate B12. Could you point me in the right direction?
Of course, it is just down there on the left.
Thank you so much.
If this video helped you, please subscribe. Next episode, Maya is at the boarding gate. She tries to board too early, argues with the gate agent, and nearly gets on the wrong plane.
I am ready to board. My boarding is now only.
My boarding is now only. We will fix that next time. Do not forget your comment below. Every mistake is just a lesson waiting to happen. See you next episode.
See you next time. Bye.